Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of our photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my phone, and first thing first, let's just open up the Photoshop application. And after we have this application opened, we can choose a photo we want to change the background color. For example, I'm going to change the background color of this photo, so I'm just going to click on it. Then we have to go to the background section. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the background, this one guys, and then here you just need to choose the color you want to apply to your background. For example, I'm gonna go with this color. Once you're done, you just need to click on this button to save the photo to your device, and the background has to be clear so the Photoshop will give you the best result. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background color of our photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.